with it, they counting me out. Now, look at the crown, foot in the dirt, vanity mouth. Heavy the head, you heard what I said. If I do quit, I'm better off dead. Die on my shield, fight in the field, purple my heart, too out to kill. Look at me now, give me the treasure. They counting me out, now I'm giving them pressure. Ready right now, down for whatever. Look at me now, I'm back and I'm better. Look at me now. Look at me now. Whoever, whenever, better than ever. Look at me now. Yeah. Whoa. Look at me.
Kasi imagine the world, if you travel to the future by 2030, ano nang meron sa mundo? Hindi pwedeng sabihin ng mga teachers natin na huwag kayong gumamit ng AI or huwag kayong mag-chat GPT. Ang tanong, ano ba yung gusto nyo kasing matutunan or ano yung gusto nyong mensahe na iparating, di ba? Tandaan nyo, ang AI, hindi yan tao. It is what? A tool. Tama? Kumbaga ballpen yan, or typewriter yan, or laptop yan. So ang maganda dito, natutulungan tayo na magawa yung mga bagay na hindi natin nagagawa noon. One day, maniwala kayo sa hindi, education will just be an option. It will never be a priority anymore. Kasi mas marami pa kayo matututunan sa internet kaysa sa school. Masakit man marinig at sabihin to, pero again, ang hindi naman matututunan ng estudyante sa internet ay ang values at ang pakikipagkapwa-tao. Tama?